Hola, buenos días. En este video vamos a practicar el verbo llevar en español. So we're going to be looking at the verb llevar in Spanish, which means to wear. It can also mean some other things like to carry, but for now we're just going to focus on the wear part. And we're going to talk about what people wear using this verb. So I have some information on here that you're going to make sure you want to know before we get into actually using the verb. So on the left-hand side of your screen, you see that we have the Spanish subject pronouns. If you haven't learned these yet, then you need to go back and do that first. But I'm going to review it really quick for you. So yo means I, tú is you, informal, él is he, ella, she, usted is you, formal, nosotros and nosotras both mean we, vosotros and vosotras both mean you, plural, used in Spain, and then ellos and ellas both mean they, and ustedes means you, plural. So we need to know that in order to conjugate the verb or use the verb successfully. So make sure you have that information down. To the right, over here where it says definite articles, we have the words the in Spanish. And I say words because there are 4 ways to say the in Spanish. And while you do want to know these, we're not going to be using them in this video. But the definite articles in Spanish are el, la, los, and las. And they all mean the. El being masculine singular, la being feminine singular, los being plural masculine, and los being plural feminine. What we will be using, though, are over here. We have the indefinite articles. The first 2 both mean a. Un and una both mean a. So un is masculine singular, and una is feminine singular. And unos and unas both mean some, and those are masculine plural, unos, and unas is feminine plural. So we'll be using these to say things like I wear a hat, or she wears some shoes, or we're wearing some skirts, for example. So let's go down just a little bit more here, and we have the conjugation of the verb llevar. I'll make that a little bigger for you. How about that? Okay, so the conjugation of the verb llevar in the present tense. So if you know your subject pronouns over here on the left, then we would know that llevo means I wear or I am wearing. Llevas is you wear. Lleva is he or she wears or you formal wear. Llevamos is we wear. Llevais would be you plural wear. And llevan would be they wear or you plural wear also. So what I want you to do maybe is either jot that down or try and keep it in your head, because I'm going to give you a practice activity in a second. I'm going to take that off the screen. So write it down if you want to, or if you even want to, this document that you're looking at, it's available to you if you want to download it, save it, or print it off and take notes on it. There's a link in the description of my video that will take you to it. So I'm going to get down to the activity here, and I'm going to take that part off of the screen. Okay, so here's your practice. Conjugate the verb llevar in the first blank, and in the second blank, I want you to put the appropriate indefinite article. So that's going to be the un, una, unos, or unas. So why don't you pause the video for a second, because I'm going to give you the answers in about 5 seconds, and try and write down the answers, and I'm going to give them to you. Okay, so here come the answers. Mi amigo lleva un sombrero blanco. Yo llevo Yo llevo una camiseta negra. Los estudiantes llevan unos pantalones azules. Tú llevas unos calcetines feos. Nosotras llevamos unas faldas bonitas. Vosotros lleváis unas chaquetas grandes. So just in case you weren't sure, those sentences in English read, my friend wears a white hat. Number 2 is, I wear a black t-shirt. Number 3 is, the students wear some blue pants. 4 is, you wear some ugly socks. 5 is, we wear some pretty skirts. And 6 is, you guys wear some big jackets. And that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys need any help, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching.